The Makerspace at the Aga Khan Schools in India is where students' ideas transform into real-world projects and promote hands-on learning through STEM education. It's a space for students to explore, experiment, and develop working models using robotics, coding, electronics, mathematics, and 3D printing. The mentors at the Makerspace guide the students to think critically and adopt design thinking approach to solve the given problem. From creating sustainable solutions to developing futuristic innovations, every project encourages students to think differently and expand their boundaries. Makerspace enables students to regularly participate in national and international competitions and transform their learning into meaningful and rewarding output. In a recent achievement at the E-nnovate International Innovation Summit 2024, our students earned global recognition and won 2 of the 3 gold medals awarded to Indian entries. Their innovations included an automated transport management system to ease traffic congestion and a motion-detecting pesticide spraying system to reduce waste and environmental impact. The Makerspace is more than a lab. It's a space where students become innovators and ideas become reality.